Okay, welcome back. So now we want to start our what is it called, JavaScript. But before we do that, we need to connect our JavaScript with our HTML. And don't forget that should be the last thing before the closing tag of body. So we want to declare the element script. Then here we talk about language. It's the JavaScript. So JavaScript. Then after language we declare type. Then text / JavaScript. Language has been declared, then the type has been declared. The next thing is to declare to open the source. So src. Then remember we have it inside another parent folder, so slash we have it as a JavaScript, then form.js. Okay, so having done that, now we move straight into our JavaScript. Now that we have not done anything on JavaScript, if we come here and then we try to submit, it's not going to show us anything, not going to show us any error sign. But let's see our prototype. That is going to tell us that some fields are required. So username cannot be blank, email cannot be blank, etc. Alright, see you in just a moment.